say it's okay to take a break and watch. There's something about a summer rainstorm, draws the breath deep in your chest and silences your thoughts. There's something about a sudden cloud burst, diverts us from the day-to-day to the here and now. Gushing gutter that ushers us from shifting sand back to steady ground. There's something about a summer rainstorm. There's something about a summer rainstorm. There's something about a summer